to fix something like this?
For this little one, and this one here, it'd be $185.
$185.
Yeah.
Probably just fix that one alone then.
Just that one, yeah.
Yeah.
That one will be $155. So it's just
That's not a big difference.
yeah, because this one's just an extra 30.
Was that so expensive though? Like, you probably got a lot of these.
Yeah, this is one of the bigger ones, but definitely get a few of them.
Yes, guys. So I don't know if you guys remember that when we were coming from the lake/beach the other day, I got that gigantic rock chip in our windshield. So I'm getting it sorted out right now. $155 is what he's charging, which sounds a little bit pricey for me still, but to me still, but I mean, we gotta get it fixed, right? So we're literally in Canadian Tire parking lot. So if you're in Grand Prairie and you have a similar issue, you can definitely come and check them out. Guys, as I'm standing here waiting on this windscreen to be fixed, I remember coming in this parking at 10 o'clock at night, 10:30 at night to pick up Nuts. Nuts used to work at Canadian Tire at one point in time. And I remember that, like, I used to have to take Malika at the time. Malika wasn't born yet. I used to have to take Malika with me at 10:30 in a snowstorm to pick up Nuts from work. So again, if you guys are transitioning and you're going through those hardships right now, just know that it's gonna be a lot easier in the future. But the beginning might be very testing. But you'll look back and smile. So this is pretty much a small business, right? Deco windscreen.
Actually no, we're part of a larger company. It's all over Canada.
Oh. So do they have like a physical location, like
there is like a warehouse in Edmonton,
okay,
and that works all year round.
gotcha. Yes, guys, I'm finally able to get that fixed. Took me roughly 45 minutes to an hour. Not bad at all. I'm not really too pleased with the finish, if I'm being honest, but it is what it is. At least I don't have to replace the entire windshield. I'm now back on my way to work, guys, so come along. Midday drive back to work.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
Beautiful day, guys. It's now the end of the day, and I'm going to pick up Malia from day home. Let's see what kind of day she had. Hello.
Daddy, calm down.
Hi, Malia. Hi, Zuri. Come on. Hi, Maddie. Your birthday is Saturday, Maddie.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's your birthday.
Actually, her birthday is tomorrow.
Oh, but they're keeping their party on Saturday.
Same
Okay.
thing with Iliana. Her birthday is tomorrow too.
Put on your shoes, Zuri.
These are my slippers.
Okay.
Wow, all the girls are coming to your birthday.
Hi, Flynn.
Yeah, your daddy is gonna come soon.
You had a good day today, Malia? Come on.
You won to the car.
Climb over, Zuri. Climb over. Come, Malia, come climb. Come on, climb. Come, Daddy have a meeting. Hurry up.
A meeting? What's a meeting?
Climb up, baby.
What's a meeting?
It's when you meet with someone.
Oh. Like who?
Hello, family. Hi, Malika. Hi, Malika. Come and say hi. Come and say hi. No, you're not saying hi? Where's Malia? You want Peter, sure? That's how you behave. Let the world see how you're behaving. Okay, you'll get Peter, sure.
We'll get Peter Shore later, okay?
I'm gonna be so good. We're gonna go and buy Peter, sure, okay? Okay, baby? Okay? Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. Yeah, make a makeshift.
Yeah.
Good old Ovaltine.
Ovaltine. Finished, you know? I'm not mad.
Miss Malika Jade, turn off the TV, please. Thank you. Bez, I move a picture for you, sir. Put that in the fridge. When Malika was freezing in the swing that day. Okay, we're gonna go and do some shopping, but we come home for our grocery bags because grocery bags been piling up. Can we keep buying? Say hi to your subscribers.
Hi, subscribers.
That's all you have to say?
Yeah, you said to say hi.
That's what I said to say, but what do you want to say to your subscribers?
Hope you guys are having a fantastic week so far. And hope the rest of the week is as much is good.
It's good.
Yes, it's good.
Okay. Alright, you don't know that's already.
Girl love.
Few thoughts.
Yes.
It's not 2:25 p.m. It's now 6:05 p.m. and it's 27 degrees. It's Thursday though. 27 degrees. That lead to our garage. I have that aquarium to set up, guys. I just haven't gotten any time to do it. But we got that aquarium for the kids, that fish tank. If anybody know anything about fish tank, shoot me a comment underneath this video. Let me know what are some of the things I need to be looking out for, right? Got that cart to drag Malika and Malia around, and also anything that we need transporting. Got their bikes, which we hardly let them use because the weather doesn't always permit. You did end up finish wash, babes? You end up finishing washing? Closing the machine?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll probably take them out. I'm gonna change this. Yes, guys. So we won't take you guys on a grocery shopping vlog today. So I'm just gonna end it right here, right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this very short vlog. I appreciate you guys always supporting our channel, always showing us love. We appreciate it. All right. Until next time. See you guys next video.